All right, so now we're gonna make two boxes of the Zatarain red beans and rice. I already have my water on the stove boiling, guys. Okay, can you see that? The water is boiling. Okay, so each box of this takes 3 cups of water. So since I'm doing 2 boxes, I put 6 cups of water in there. So that's what's in there boiling now. Okay. Everything else, guys, you can use at your own discretion, your measurements, but let's go. So the box calls for 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine or whatever. So I am going to put in the 2 tablespoons, okay? So I'm gonna put in 4 because I'm using 2 boxes. So I got my tablespoon right here, and we need 4 tablespoons. Now, I like to put my ingredients into the boiling water before I add the rice, okay? That's just me. So the other thing that I like to use, you just stir your butter up. The other thing that I like to use is jerk sauce. And I like mine hot. This is hot and spicy jerk seasoning. Okay? It looks like that. So, me, I like my food hot, but my family really don't. This is a little bit too much, but I'm gonna put it in there anyway. Because if it's too hot for them, the only thing they're gonna do is add water. But I like my stuff spicy. Okay, the other thing that you're gonna use is some onion soup dip mix. Trust me, guys. But let me see. I'm not going to use a whole pack. I'm going to use a half a pack. Okay? I'm going to use a half a pack of that. And the reason why I, like I said, put mine just in the boiling water is because I think the seasoning mix better like that. You just have it in the boiling water before you mix your rice. Okay? Now it's time to add your rice. So like I said, this is Zatarain red beans and rice. Do I have to actually do a disclaimer for you guys? Try this rice at your own discretion. I bought this rice with my own money. Yeesh. Okay, so it's got all the nice seasonings in there and stuff, guys. So we're gonna put that in there, stir that around a little bit. That's 1 box. And I'm gonna put the other box in here. Okay. So now that this is on here, guys, what I am going to do is that I'm going to turn it down real low. Okay? I'm going to turn the fire down low. I'll probably turn it down to 3. I'm going to turn it down to 3. And I'm going to cover the pot. Okay? I'm going to turn it down even lower than that. Because we don't want the rice to cook too fast. And we want it to, cook right. We don't want it to burn or anything like that. Okay, guys. The pot of red beans and rice is cooking. Can you see that? It's cooking really well. So what I am going to do is try to stir it. And see how I sit up there and I turned it low? I turned it low because I want it to cook slow. You know, you come down, check on it periodically, and make sure it ain't sticking to the bottom of the pot. And while that is still cooking, I'm gonna put the top back on it, and I'm gonna see if I can turn it even lower. Okay, here we go, guys. I already had some lettuce, romaine lettuce chopped up. So I'm gonna chop up some tomatoes, and I'm gonna show you how I usually make the plate with whatever chips is left. All right. And once you put your cheese on, you put either ranch on top of that, or you can put sour cream on it. And you're done. I decided to go with the ranch. So guys, this is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me what you think. And I'll talk to you later. Bye. Bye. This is delicious. This is delicious. I love eating this.